Hey guys, it's Jaleesa and I'm back with another hair video. So today I have for you a really soft, fluffy twist out. I really wanted to stretch my hair, so I figured I might as well show you guys the process. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off with dry hair. So basically what this is I washed my hair and then I just did 2 chunky flat twists all the way back until they dried. I'm going to go ahead and take out those chunky flat twists. I basically only put them in so that my hair could dry detangled. So working with one side of my head, I'm going to go ahead and part a small section right above my ear. I'm going to go ahead and detangle gently with my fingers before I add my heat protectant. This one is from Oribe, but you can use any one that you like. And then I'll blow it out in a high heat. I just really want a nice smooth finish, and I want a lot of movability at the root area. I'm going to continue to take small sections around my head, detangling, heat protectant, and then blowing it out. So that way my hair is a lot smoother to start. So now that my hair is all blown out, I'm going to part from front to back, starting at the middle area of my brow, as you'll see. And this will be where I put my first flat twist. So before I start twisting, I'm going to go ahead and add some gel, but I'm not going to add too much because I don't want my hair to revert back. So just a small amount of that, and then I'll go ahead and brush out my hair so I can get to twisting. And I start at the front and just flat twist all the way to the ends of my hair, making sure to brush if I need to and to smooth out my ends along the way. So now that I have this section done, I can move on. Let's do a part in the middle, but this time we're not going to part all the way to the back. We're just going to part to the crown area and then do a small part over so you get this smaller chunk. And the reason why I did this was because the perimeter of my hair is a lot finer than the middle of my hair, so I just want to make sure that everything looks pretty consistent. There's a lot more hair here, so the twist is going to naturally be a little bit more chunky. So I went ahead and added some gel, detangled with the brush, and now it's time for me to twist again. So starting from the front, I'm just going to do a nice tight flat twist all the way to the ends, making sure to brush out my hair along the way so that way my twist is as smooth as possible. And then I'll add a little bit of gel at the ends just to secure it. So right below that section, I'm just going to go ahead and part that off, and that'll be another flat twist. Repeating the same steps, adding the gel, detangling, and then twisting as tightly as I can without adding too much pressure. And don't forget to brush out your hair along the way if you need to smooth things out. Okay, so here we have 1/2 of my hair done, and literally all I'm going to do is just repeat this on the other side. So in total, I'll have 6 twists. Okay, so this is what it should look like, and I'm just going to add a little bit of gel to my edges and smooth it out so that way it'll lay really nicely under the scarf. And here you can see what I've come up with. So I'm going to go ahead and add my scarf. You can put your scarf on however you want. This is just the way I decided to do it. There's no real rhyme or reason, honestly. I just didn't want the top twist to get smashed down by the scarf, but you can really just tie your hair up however you want. So these should take a few hours to air dry, or if you go under the dryer, about an hour, but I'm going to go ahead and sleep in these. Here's the next morning, and I'm going to take the scarf off and the twists are set into place. So I'm just going to take a little bit of oil. This is from Camille Rose. It's the Nangai Strength Restore hair oil. And I'm going to take some of that on my fingertips just to prevent the frizz as I untwist my twists. So I'm going to do these very carefully because I don't want to create too much frizz here. And just make sure to take your time. So now that I've taken the twists out and everything is still pretty chunky, so I'm gonna fluff out the roots just to create a little bit more volume and lift, and then I can separate some of the twists without creating frizz. So you pretty much just want to style it however you want to style it, whichever way you want to position your hair to frame your face. And then I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the ends just to seal everything in, add a little bit more shine. And there you have it. That is my soft yet defined, flat, chunky twist out. To maintain the style, you can either sleep with a scarf, put a bonnet on, or you can retwist your twists. But that's pretty much it. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. I love reading your comments and I want to know what's going on with you guys and what you guys want to see next time. So thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time.